We saw huge numbers. In the 14 weeks since Amazon announced Long Island City, contracts to buy homes, mostly condos, jumped 181% compared to the same period the year before. And that's from Patrick Smith of Stribling and Associates. He's been sending me these reports every week with the crazy numbers. So thanks, Patrick. That is 135 sales compared to just 48 the year before. Now, Long Island City had been very popular. You had seen a lot of building in the area even before the Amazon announcement. But again, that is going to pull a lot of interest away from the area, and that could hurt some of the buildings that are there. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the REITs, the residential REITs that really took a hit today. We're looking at Avalon Bay and Equity Residential. Avalon Bay does have a project in Long Island City. Equity Residential, though, is just in Manhattan in general, not specifically in Long Island City. But remember, Long Island City had 5 subway lines that were one stop from Manhattan. So Equity Residential was obviously benefiting from this choice. I spoke with Jim Sullivan a couple of minutes ago. He's a REIT analyst at BTIG. He says the reaction right now to these stocks is a bit overdone because they are national REITs and because they will still do well. In general, he says demand for residential in Manhattan is still strong. Equity Residential should bounce back. So it's just that initial stock bump. Now, when we look at the office REITs that are involved here, SL Green is down and 3 office REITs in D.C. area are actually up. Now, SL Green, very strong presence in Manhattan. But again, Sullivan says that they're still going to have strong demand with the other tech companies that have moved in, big presence from Google, et cetera. But that bump up in the D.C. area is the question of, will Amazon expand its footprint even more in the area in Northern Virginia that it picked, as well as Long Island City? Now that it doesn't have Long Island City, that could benefit the office REITs there. JVG, a very big one there, and getting a bump today on that, as well as Avalon Bay does has properties in Northern Virginia as well. But again, it's that huge jump in condo sales in Long Island City. Now you got to wonder, some of those folks who signed the contracts, will they be pulling out of some of those deals? Did they put money down?
Yeah.
We'll find out.